Good. All right, we are at Mr. Roderick Jackson's house at 1011 Stone Court Trace. It is the 29th, I think, and we're going to do a repair on the front slope. So I'm going to show you up close really quick. Our shingle. So here's our shingle, and this is our damaged shingle. It's hard to see the damage on these ones, but you can see this is one of the ones that got marked in the inspection. Just because of the color and the shading, but the ones around them aren't damaged at all. We're only going to do the front slope. The front and the right slopes are the only ones not being covered. And I mean, you can see right here. I'm going to show you. This is the right slope right here. The condition is the same, so it's reasonable to expect whatever happens with this shingle is the same that would happen right there. I'll also leave this one here on the property so that you guys can come pick it up and sanitize it. So we'll start by getting our old shingle out. So out with the old. Show you a little in progress really quick so you can kind of see. Here's our old shingle. It's nice and beat up. You can see where the adhesive from the shingles above it and some of the matting has come off and attached itself. That in itself is already an issue because that'll cause problems with the new shingles sealing. Set that off to the side. And obviously you have to create a seamless and wonderful repair. New shingle, size here. Okay, so we're gonna get this new shingle installed, and we will nail it just based on pretty standard industry manufacturer specs. We'll do 4 nails evenly spaced across the roof. I will be careful not to bend the shingle tabs any more than necessary, but I do have to make sure I'm nailing perpendicular to the roof. The nail has to go in at this angle, not like this. You can't, because if you do that, then the nail head won't sit flush and it will not sit right, and that is the problem. So, let's go. I can hear and feel the shingles creasing in my hands, but obviously you're not going to be able to on the camera. So I'll show you a close-up here when we're done. Now, as far as before I nail the shingle above us, I'm going to replace the nails where they were in the shingle above. If you don't, then you're going to run into some problem with leaking, and then I'm going to add a couple of extra. Just to help secure our bond. So, camera. Now, here we go. Now you can kind of see on the camera what I'm showing you. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to move some of the loose granules off the shingles a little bit. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to see it because these colors is just so difficult. So like, you can tell right here, this one, that one's pretty well creased. This one right here, let's see, it did as well right there, but you just can't see it. Let's see how we do on this one. This one's also pretty, you can tell, if you look, you can see the line. This will weather and darken, but that takes time and rain. This one right here as well. So this one's a little bit more defined. You can tell the loose granules. And right here, when I do this, let's see right here. So this one on the corner. You can see this line coming across. So manipulating the shingles damaged them. So that's definitely a fail. I'm gonna give you one more close-up. Swipe across. And that's it.